Okay, remember the other day when we talked about multiplying double-digit numbers times single-digit numbers? Well, today we're going to talk about multiplying double-digit numbers times double-digit numbers. The steps are pretty similar. There's a little bit of a difference. We're going to see what that is right now. Here's an example that I made right here. Notice both numbers are double-digit. You got the tens place and the ones place. Now remember when we talked about the other one, when we talked about double times single, the first thing we remembered were the two D's. That was down and diagonal. Remember, you went down with the ones and diagonal with the tens to the ones. Very similar start here. What you're going to do is you're going to put a down arrow right here from the 6 in this case to the 3. You're going to put a diagonal arrow from the 5 to the 3. So both numbers on the top are going to be dealing with the 3 first, which means we're temporarily going to pretend this 4 doesn't exist. Okay? So pretend it's 56 times 3. Okay? So now we're ready to multiply like we did the last time. 6 times 3 is 18. Carry the 1. Don't forget the plus sign. Okay? Diagonal. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. And that's what I have so far. Am I finished? No, I'm not finished, because now I got to deal with this, the 4. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to erase the arrow, or both arrows, and now I'm going to flip the two D's. I'm going to go diagonal and down. So now everything that I'm going to be doing with the top is going to focus on the tens digit here, in this case the 4. Okay? Everything's going to the 4 now, which means this is what I could do. It's going to make it so much easier for you. Goodbye. Goodbye. See what I just did? I got rid of the ones digit on the bottom, and I got rid of the little number that I carry, because I don't need them anymore. They've served their purpose. They're done. Okay? So now it's going to be 56 times 4. Diagonal first. Oh, wait a minute. What did I forget to do? There's one step I forgot to do. You see how I crossed out this 3? I've got to still put something there to take its place. What do I put there? What digit always holds a place value? The 0. Remember, the 0 is one of the most important numbers, if not the most important number in math. Okay? Or digit. I'm going to put a 0 where? Right here. Under the 8. This 0 is taking this place. Okay? I got to put it there. Why? Because now that I'm dealing with the tens, I can't pretend the ones never existed. I'm going to put it here to hold it. Okay, the 0. So now I'm ready to multiply diagonally first. 6 times 4 is, remember, 6 times 4, 24. Put the 4 down. Okay. Carry the 2 where? Above, next to the 5. That's why I got rid of this, so I wouldn't confuse myself. Now I multiply straight down. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. Now watch. I bring the 2 down in the ones place. Nothing to carry the other one to. Bring it down with it. Put my comma down. And I've got 2 numbers here. What do I do with them? Well, let me ask you this. What other operation do you do where the numbers get larger? Like in multiplication, the numbers get larger. What other operation do the numbers get larger? Addition, right? Because multiplication is fast addition. We're going to add these 2 numbers, okay? We're basically adding the number that we got by multiplying by the ones and the number we got by multiplying by the tens. So I'm going to put a little plus sign here again. Now I just add straight down. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Nothing here. Bring the 2 down. And that's my answer. Okay? Right here. Once again, multiplied the top by the ones, then the top by the tens. I did all my down and diagonal stuff. Added the 2 numbers that I got, and that's my final answer. This right here. Okay? Let's do another one just to make sure. Okay, here's another example. Double times double again. Remember, I'm going down and diagonal first. So I'm going to pretend that this 4 doesn't exist. Okay? 5 times 3 is 15. Bring down the 5, carry the 1. Diagonal, 6 times 5 is 30, plus the 1 is 31. Okay? Now I could cross out the 5 because I don't need it anymore. And I cross this out because I don't need it anymore. What do I put in the 5's place? Or in the 1's place? A 0. Right down here. Okay? Now I go diagonal and down. 4 times 3 is, or 3 times 4 rather, is 12. Bring down the 2. Carry the 1 with a plus sign again. It's a different one. Don't forget, that's why I got rid of this. Straight down, 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 1 is 25. Bring down the 5. Can't carry the 2. Nothing there. Bring it down with it. Comma. Add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And bring down the 2. And there's my answer. 2,835. Remember, you go down and diagonal like you normally would. Then you go diagonal and down. Add. There's your answer. Replay this video as many times as you need it. Hope that helps you.